I'm from Texas, from San Antonio, about an hour and a half away from Uvalde, and I'm simply heartbroken as a parent, as a Texan, and as a Latino for what's happening. Um, as a public health professional, right, I am also thinking about the ways in which we can prevent this, but not only preventing these events, but also the healing that comes afterwards and the community building that has to come afterwards. If we're going to recover from events like these, what we saw is that one of the first responders onto the scene was a Border Patrol agent. There's a few things that should be very clear from President Biden and Governor Abbott, and that's that those collaborating with law enforcement in this case, those speaking with first responders, should not be the targets of immigration enforcement, right? And this should be very clearly stated. There is no healing to be had during this tragedy while folks are fearing for their own deportations. This is just trauma upon trauma. Part of this argument definitely is the race, plays into it. And I tend to be pessimistic as well. When we let white children die at Sandy Hook, it was very clear we were going to let all children die. I'm very hesitant to think that the killing of Latino children is going to shift our policy. Something that does give me hope is having worked with immigrant and Latino communities and communities of color for some time. I know our organizing power is vast, and I know when people are angry, they do something about it. I know that in many of these communities, it's often the mothers of the children who are leading the charge. And I know that there's many angry parents and angry mothers in this case. And that certainly does give me hope. At the moment, I'm heartbroken, and I feel pretty crushed by everything that's going on. It's difficult to be optimistic in those times.